Artificial intelligence isn't just changing the way we work, it's redefining entire industries, including healthcare. And Meta's latest move is proof. The company is reportedly in talks with Apollo Global Management to secure a $35 billion financing package to develop U.S. data centers. While the details remain sparse, this isn't just a big tech story. It's a sign of how AI driven infrastructure is reshaping the future of biotech, pharma, hospitals, and CDMOs. Now, as we have also mentioned on this channel, Meta has already outlined plans to invest up to $65 billion this year in AI related projects, while Microsoft was forecasting around $80 billion of spend on data centers. These aren't just numbers, they're signals to us that there's a larger trend of AI becoming the backbone of industries that require massive computing power. This means to us that in order for an industry to continue to advance, to grow, to innovate, you have to have computing power that keeps up and oftentimes does fuel the innovation, but you have to have enough computing power to grow and to continue to expand. And there's no industry that's more intensive from a data perspective than healthcare. Healthcare is incredibly data intensive, and you need the computational power to back that up, to back up innovation and fuel business. So from drug discovery to patient care, AI-driven models are transforming how we develop treatments, how we optimize hospital operations, and how we scale biomanufacturing. This same infrastructure that Meta is building to power social media, as well as cloud services, will be critical for AI-driven drug design, precision medicine, and predictive analytics in hospitals, let's say. This is by no means an exhaustive list. There's obviously a trend right now in the capital markets, the growth of private credit, and of course, Apollo's role. This is where Apollo comes in. The firm has been expanding its ability to provide large-scale financing to investment-grade corporations. And private credit is emerging as the next frontier in capital markets, especially when it comes to infrastructure and high-tech investments. If this deal closes, it could mark one of the largest private credit financings in AI infrastructure, an investment that directly impacts life sciences. Take CDMOs, for example, contract development and manufacturing organizations. AI is already improving process automation, reducing failure rates, and accelerating time to market for complex biologics. But these capabilities require real computing power. As AI models become more sophisticated, the demand for high-performance data centers, capable of handling, let's say, genomic sequencing, protein folding, and AI-driven clinical trials will skyrocket. But here's the bigger picture. AI's impact on healthcare isn't theoretical. It's happening now. Hospitals are leveraging AI to predict, for instance, patient admissions or readmissions, as well as to optimize their staffing. Pharma companies globally and in the US especially are using AI-driven simulations to shorten drug discovery, reduce costs, and speed up the time to market for drugs. Something that's really close to my heart is biomanufacturing. These facilities are integrating AI to enhance quality control as well as reduce costs. Yet, all of this hinges on one thing: infrastructure. Without capital investment to scale AI-powered computing, the biotech and healthcare revolution slows down dramatically. That's why deals like Meta and Apollo's $35 billion financing matter in the healthcare context and to us. They aren't just fueling tech. Certainly, it was a tech headline, but there are so many undertones here that point to healthcare. These financings are funding the next generation of healthcare innovation. Smart capital follows structural shifts. And right now, AI infrastructure is becoming the backbone of healthcare transformation. If you're not tracking these investments, you're missing the real story of how AI will redefine medicine, drug manufacturing, and hospital systems. The future of healthcare isn't just about innovation, it's about who has the computing power to deliver it.